So now let's see how we can work around with vignette effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with the vignette effect, you need to go ahead and select out this particular image and then go around onto the effects menu right here. Then what you need to do is you need to go around over here onto creative, and here you can see that vignette is an option, and immediately you can see the black edges which is applied around over there. You can go ahead and change around the offset right here as well, and change around the fade as well, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and change around the fade right there. You can also go ahead and change around the white as well, and then choose, let's say for example, a particular color as you wish as well. So just like this. So you can see that the vignette right now by default is ellipse. Then you can also go ahead and make it into a circle, a rectangle as well, as you can see, and a square as well. And accordingly, you can see that this is what you have, as you can see. So you get a square, and you can go ahead and change around the fade according to how you want right there. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the vignette effect inside of pictures in Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.